Welcome to Alpersh News. I'm Nandana. On to the headlines. The NCC cadets of St. Albans College Autonomous showed remarkable selections. National Service Scheme Unit 32 organized JVCOM, One Student, One Pro program. Assistant Professor of St. Albans College Autonomous got promoted. The Department of Journalism of St. Albans College Autonomous organized a session on sustainability. The Department of English of St. Albans College Autonomous organized Environment Awareness and Sensitization session. St. Albans College Autonomous organized Deeksharam 2024. St. Albans College Autonomous proudly organized Freshers Day 2024. The 7K Naval Unit NCC cadets got selected for IGC NSC at Naval Base. NC2 Siddharth M. Kamath, NC2 Aditya Shivadas, NC2 Shelvin Sergeant Thomas, and NC2 Adishay George got selected for IGC NSC. Congratulations! National Service Scheme Unit 32 of St. Albans College Autonomous organized Jai Vikam, One Student, One Pro program supported by the Agriculture Department of Kerala. The program was conducted on 4th July 2024 near Papali Hall. Dr. Siju Ambergis, Assistant Professor of Department of Botany, got promoted to Associate Professor. We congratulate you, sir, for achieving this milestone. The Department of Journalism organized a session on sustainability on 2nd July 2024. The session was led by Ms. Jacqueline Hessels and Mr. Simon Van Rensen, Director, Minor Liberal Arts, Saxon University. The Department of English organized Climate Change in India, an environment awareness and sensitization session. The program was held on 3rd July 2024. St. Albans College Autonomous conducted student election program Deeksharam 2024 based on the themes Socializing, Associating, Governing and Experience from 2nd July to 4th July. The Department of Journalism led a session on the topic Universal Human Values and Anti-Dowry Laws by Naveen A. Varki, Advocate of Kerala High Court. The Department of Renewable Energy conducted an industrial talk Challenges on Solar Energy Conservation by Dr. K. Soman, President, Energy Conservation Society Managing Partner, Solar Energy Center, Chalakudi, Thrissur. The department also conducted alumni talk by Mr. Anthony Philip, Project Engineer, PWR Plant Innovations. The Department of Economics conducted inauguration of Deeksharam by Dr. Ansi VP, Associate Professor, School of Industrial Fisheries, Cochin University of Science and Technology. The Department of Travel and Tourism conducted Industrial Export Talk by Krishnachandran PK, Vice President, Business Development, Intersite Tours and Travels. The Department of Sports Science and Fitness Management and Vivoke Sports Nutrition and Physiotherapy organized Expert Talk by Dr. Kiran Harish Tiwari, Assistant Professor, National Sports University, Impal, Manipur, and Dr. Serin Sara Jose, Clinical Dietitian, General Hospital, Ernakulam. The Department of English organized a talk on study skills by Ms. Tejaswini Manoj. The Department of Travel and Tourism and Retail Management organized session based on human rights and values by K.R. Manoj, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Patanjali. The Department of Renewable Energy organized a talk on human rights and anti-dowry. The session was led by Advocate Smriti Shashidharan. St. Albert's College Autonomous organized Freshers' Day on 5th and 6th of July 2024. That's all for this week. For more updates, keep watching Alberta News. Thank you.